Hey guys, you're welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this spaghetti for my children and they'll enjoy it. First, I was able to break the spaghetti just exactly the shape I want. Feel free to add yours straight in the hot water if you want to eat with adults alone. But I'm making it for children 4 years and 1 year old. So I'm making it for them, so I decided to cut into 3 pieces, right? So that is it. If today is your first time of watching my video, you're welcome to Mrs. Progress Innocent channel. In this channel, I talk about my life in the UK, things happening around me, and I also do cooking videos also in this channel. So stay tuned and always watch my video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe. If you like my method, don't forget to tell me you like this method. As the water is boiling, I poured in my spaghetti and my pasta or spaghetti anyone, and I drop some vegetable oil, sprinkle salt, and I cover to cook. That's my first step. I'll just cover it to cook properly. So the pepper means I'm using fresh tomato, I'm using shombo, garlic and ginger, and a little of hot pepper. UK pepper is not pepper to me. I see it as just, but I just put a little because I don't want it to be hot, especially for the 1 year. And if anything is hot, she will not eat again. So I make sure I just add one, just for adding sake, not for anything sake, because it's not gonna be hot anything. So I blend everything together, poured into this beautiful pot and set on fire to dry out here, because I need to cook it down to reduce the water content and make sure everything is a bit dry before we continue. This is my ginger, garlic, onions, and warm fresh pepper. That's hot pepper, about Nora pepper. So I'll blend everything together. The spaghetti here is ready, but I have to add extra water too because I have a new 1 year and that is eating, so I want it to be more softer than normal here. If I'm making for adults, it's good here, but because it's children, I need to allow it more to cook a little bit before I will pour it out. Finally, I'm sieving it out now. So another pot in the fire dried. I poured my olive oil, just a little olive oil, and I go in with my pepper. Yeah, this is just the pepper, onions, garlic, and ginger. I pour it and I stir fry. Add a little bit of salt and I stir fry. Yeah, I love using this what do you call the processor. I love it because of the way it's chopped. Chop it as if you're pounding something in the village those days. So I normally use it for my pepper things. So I stir fried it for a while and allow it to cook. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome to Mrs. Progress Innocent channel. If you love baking, you love cakes, I have a loaded channel. The channel is Progressive Recipes. Check it out. If you love baking, you love cake, you love pastries, you also enjoy my channel. So feel free to check it out. So right away, I stir fried a little bit and I sprinkle some seasoning cubes. I stir fried more, and I'll be adding my minced meat here. That's the way I mix back for my children. If it's for me, I don't like minced meat like that. If I'm putting minced meat, I have to put a meat that I can eat one after the other. But because it's for children, so I decided to use this melted meat. So I used it. It's more preferable for them. So I allowed it to cook for a little while before I continue. So I seasoned it with a little curry and turmeric. It has a mix of curry and turmeric. I use it for my fried rice, but I still use it as curry. So right away I poured in the tomato mix that is already dried. I poured it in right now. I'm not frying for a long time. I'll just check the salt and Maggi whether it's okay, and I will stop and pour in my gete. My daughter call it gete. Pour in my spaghetti. Don't forget the spaghetti is already done, and it's already like white rice where you put your normal white rice with salt. So I'll just pour it in, turn, and that's all. So look at that. I'll pour the spaghetti in, take my time to get those things well sorted. If you have crayfish, please add if you want, but I'm not adding because the meat is more than enough for me. So the taste of the meat is everywhere, so I don't want to get a different taste. I just want to have that full taste of this minced meat. So if you want to add crayfish, feel free. If you want to chop onion and pour, feel free. But like I said, this is for my children, so this is the way I love making it for them, and I store in the fridge for them to be eating in the afternoon. They love spaghetti. They love Indomie, so I prefer replacing spaghetti with Indomie. Instead of making Indomie, I prefer spaghetti. Yeah, the first one I made, I blended carrot and poured at this point. So feel free to do anything you want. They are your children. Just handle your thing, your kitchen the way you want to. Look at that beauty. Thanks for watching. Tell me if you like it, and don't forget to like my video. Bye.